Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anne and I create videos all about beads and fun beading projects. For today's video, I want to introduce you to a website where you can find a huge variety of trendy jewelry and jewelry making supplies all in one place. This is NIHAOJEWELRY and I'm honestly so happy I found them. So if you're looking for trendy jewelry, accessories, or even products for your small business, check out NIHAOJEWELRY. And don't forget to use my discount code FUEGO10 to get 10% off your order. Today, I'm going to browse their website and show you some of my favorite finds. As you can see, the website is very easy to navigate and is available in multiple languages, making shopping convenient no matter where you're from. One thing I love about NIHAOJEWELRY is the huge variety of products. They have more than 40,000 products available, including earrings, necklace, bracelets, rings, hair accessories, bags, beads, and jewelry making supplies, and so much more. I also love that they offer free shipping on selected items, support international shipping, and even allow wholesale purchases with no minimum order requirement. That means, whether you want one item or many items for your business, you can order what you need. For those interested in dropshipping, NIHAOJEWELRY also supports dropshipping services, making it a great option for online sellers. And if you're a new customer, they have special offers available for first-time users. Another great feature is their Mexico warehouse. For qualifying orders starting at around 2,000 pesos, delivery can take as little as 2 to 5 days. What I personally enjoy is how easy it is to browse. You can simply tap on a category, view product details, and add your favorites to your cart within seconds. There are honestly so many beautiful designs to choose from, and I can already see several pieces that would be perfect for my jewelry projects and everyday outfits. So if you'd like to check them out, I leave my special link in the description and bio. Since you know how much I love beads and jewelry making supplies, beads are always a must-have in my shopping cart. Luckily, NIHAOJEWELRY has a huge variety of beads to choose from. So I'm really excited to show you what I got from NIHAOJEWELRY. So join me as I unbox this package from NIHAOJEWELRY. Wow! I don't have this kind of bead board, and now I am so happy I got one from NIHAOJEWELRY, of course. Just check out NIHAOJEWELRY. They have a huge variety of jewelry making supplies and materials in their website. These are cute and colorful acrylic beads featuring charming cake-inspired design with a glossy hand-painted finish. Perfect for DIY phone charms, bag charms, keychains, bracelet, pens, and other fun jewelry making projects. I love the quality of each bead. Each one feels so smooth, vibrant, and carefully crafted, making every piece look extra special. high-quality through-hole acrylic beads with a glossy UV coating and cream-like finish, perfect for bracelet making, phone charms, bag accessories, and other DIY jewelry projects, adding a smooth and polished look to handmade creations. A durable and practical jewelry making tool crafted from quality wood, its smooth finish and sturdy flower design, making it ideal for shaping, holding, and assisting with various jewelry making projects while protecting delicate materials from scratches. A practical and space-saving organizer design to keep your jewelry making pliers neatly arranged and within easy reach. Made from durable wood, it helps keep your workspace tidy while displaying your tools in an organized and professional way. A stylish decorative tray designed for displaying jewelry, nail art accessories, and small items, perfect for product photography, content creation, and organizing your favorite pieces while adding an elegant touch to your photos and workspace. A simple and elegant rectangular wooden tray designed for arranging, displaying, and organizing bracelet and beads, perfect for DIY jewelry making, photography props, and keeping your workspace neat and creative.
So hard when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't let you get inside. But my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed checking out NIHAO Jewelry with me and seeing some of the products they offer. Don't forget to use my discount code FUEGO10 to get 10% off your order. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!
I wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's on.